mabay sa drills ng mga wings nila kahit hindi naman yan kasali sa program niya. Sabi ni Will, sa totoo lang hindi ko iniisip yung points ko nakafocus ako kay Mike kung paano ko siya masastop nung game na yon. Buti na lang daw nakasabay siya sa energy ni Mike pero after nun pahinga siya ng 2 days daw Coach Mike.
And rightly so. You go up against Mike Calisan in that ball game and it's just a track meet the whole time.
Oo.
And a good thing though, lumaban siya at nagano ba. And he also gave San Juan problems.
Agreed. Tsaka yung makita mo yung touches ni Mike Calisan, very limited. He had only 7 attempts to which he made 4 on the perimeter. And the other scores have really come from the free throw. And so Will was really there.
For the scoring, biggest output of the game for Nueva Ecija is 28 in the third. And Marikina managing just 11. The baseline drive from Costello. The kick out to Arenas. That's short. Amito with the offensive rebound and he puts it in.
Laking bagay rin talaga ni Jammer na nakakatulong sa ilalim para dito sa Rice Vanguards.
It's 64-34. Rafael Go now with Roque. He'll pull up the jumper, won't go. Rebound ni Manaytay. Bigay agad kay Ryan Costello. Under 9 minutes remaining, 30-point lead for Nueva Ecija here in the fourth. Kenneth Mocon, the handoff to Arenas. Arenas will fire. It's over the top. Arenas still looking for his first basket of the game.
Yeah, balik na dito si Nem de la Cruz.
This is the Assist the Game brought to you by 1xBet, the title sponsor of the MPBL. Your choice, your victory. Feel more game with 1xBet. It's Cotto. Bigay kay Go. Peñano up against Jammer Hamito. Almost taken away. Peñano spins and misses. Rebound ni Manaytay. That's a foul on Peñano. 8 minutes remaining. 64-34 is the count. Inside they go. Christian Manaytay scoring. De La Cruz. Mocon keeping in step. Nem pulls up. No good. Rebound ni Manaytay. Now with Costello. Quickly to Mocon. Nearly intercepted by De La Cruz.
Halos token resistance talaga ang nakukuha nitong Rice Vanguards.
This is the play of the game brought to you by 1xBet, title sponsor of the MPBL. Your choice, your victory. Feel more game with 1xBet. Jammer Hamito. 68-34. 34-point lead for Nueva Ecija.
1-on-1.
Escoto. And a whistle going against Ryan Costello. 2 free throws for Escoto.
Battle of the skies on the floor. Ito yung high-low with Jammer Hamito. A good pass by Christian Manaytay. And I've always loved how Jammer Hamito plays real good with that high-low action. Kung siya man nasa taas o siya nagsisil sa baba, either way, he's pretty good.
Costello sits with 9 points in the game. Bobby B has entered the game. Escoto rattles the first free throw in. Get a special deal from 1xBet. Scan the QR code and claim your special offer. 1 for 2 for Jethro. Rebound ni Bobby Balocana. Now with Ken Mocon. Hamito.
Back pick.
Arenas. 0 for 3 from beyond the arc so far para kay Don Arenas. There's a foul away from the ball. That's on Arenas. A hold against Nem de la Cruz.
Right. And Arenas trying to keep in pace with them, but I got called for that foul.
De la Cruz. Bigay kay Peñano. Quick spin. Peñano. More angle there para kay Peñano.
And I thought he already had a shot on that elbow. Didn't need to put the ball down on the floor as may naka-help na doon. Naka-drop coverage na eh.
Mocon. Jumper. No.
Oh, wow.
Offensive rebound. Jumper Hamito for 2.
Jammer Hamito again. Doing real good inside the paint.
Nem de la Cruz. With the 3 ball.
Ang hope mo talaga is makita yung Nem de la Cruz na naglaro ng first quarter in that last game against Bulacan the same way.
Oh, Don Arenas, finally!
Yan ang specialty of the house niya, no? 3 points.
Yeah.
Don Arenas. And
But boy, I've seen this guy work in the gym. Don Arenas. Ibang klase work ethic ng batang to. Gustong-gusto ko siya na mabigyan lagi ng chance just because of the work he puts in.
tsaka ano eh, in my opinion, he's a sponge. He's very willing to learn.
Yeah.
If you observe him how he is on timeouts and in huddles, and once he's on the floor.
Ibang klase magtrabaho sa gym to si Don Arenas. Nakakasabay ko to. Ako, nakikipagchismisan. Siya, magbubuhat.
Actually, yun ang tatanong ko. Ang tanong ko, nag-gym ka?
Hindi nga. Pumunta lang.
Pumunta ka lang. Akala ko.
Iba yun sa nag-gym talaga.
Okay.
Pumunta lang ako. Napadaan lang. Napadaan lang.
That clears it.
Okay. Baka
Kasi ini-imagine ko na yun
baka mag-iba yung isipan ng mga nanonood sa atin.
Baka kasi nagpe-flex ka na doon sa mga salamin.
Nag-gym ba yan? Pagkadating ng venue, uy, yan yata yung commentator na nag-gym daw.
May daw.
And De La Cruz able to draw the foul. And they got another homegrown player, Clark Derrigue,
Yes, Clark.
is in the game.
These two have been the longest tenured ba na Rice Banger.
Yes.
Derrigue tsaka si Don Arenas.
This free throw of the game is brought to you by Extreme Appliances at subok at kompletong appliances brand ng Pilipinas.
And for them to get, floor time alongside with the other key players para dito sa Rice Vanguards, I'm sure they relish that.
Bobby B as well.
Si Bobby V nga pala, no?
Yeah.
Homegrown rin nga pala.
Bobby Balucanag, okay? Not anyone else.
What?
Bobby B.
Yeah.
Baka Bobby Brown. Bobby Balucanag.
Okay. Akala ko Bobby Ledesma.
It's a cool name, Bobby.
Yep.
Chan, fade away. He is blocked by Tiburcio. Nem de la Cruz gets in the lane. Able to draw the foul on Arenas. And Nevesia already in penalties.
A lot of fouls given up here early in the fourth quarter. Hi, what's your name? Bobby. Iba nga dating, no?
Yes.
Iba. Para kang alta de syudad na
Grabe. Nem de la Cruz. One of the hot shots dito sa Shoemasters team, and get a special deal from 1xBet. Scan the QR code and claim your special offer.
He pretty much is who Marikina is. He's been leading them in a lot of departments. And ganyang kahalaga itong contribution ni Nem de la Cruz para sa kanila. And he's gotta do more to be able to rack up some more wins.
Instant offense para kay Clark Derrigue. Scoring there with spin move.
Ang hirap maglaro ng ganyan. Yung merong goggles. Have you tried that?
Yes, I tried.
Ang
I took
hirap.
it off.
Yeah. That's one of the reasons why I stopped playing.
Talaga?
Oo, nung nagagagals na ako. Kasi I was playing point guard, pero yung peripheral mo kasi na-affected eh, no?
Oo, tama.
Yeah.
Well, there are players na nasanay na rin. Like Horace Grant, for example. Sorry, baka hindi na kilala si Horace Grant.
Naman, kilala naman siguro.
Yung iba.
Okay.
Horace Grant, Chicago Bulls yun dati.
Oo.
Siya talaga yung pinaka-famous na nagsuot ng goggles. Kareem.
Oh, yeah.
Yung Abdul-Jabbar.
Pero yung, sa bagay, ganun rin naman yun.
But it's so difficult, honestly.
Yeah.
Pag hindi ka talaga sanay, hirap talaga.
Sumubok rin ako ng contact lens back then. Pero didn't work. Nagda-dry up yung eyes ko eh. So, parang kumakalas ba yung contacts? Oh!
Talaga? I haven't tried. That's why I think to me struggle talaga pag gabi yung game at hindi maganda lighting for ano.
Pero mataas pa rin yata percentage mo eh.
Kanina pagdating ko
Yeah.
sinubukan ko lang naman.
Oo nga naman. Yung kuha ni Luisa sa, where was that? In Nueva Ecija last time, right?
Oo, naman. Hanapin nyo na lang po yun.
Alam nyo lang. Makita nyo yung
Grabe.
shooting touch partida, naka-pantalon at naka-polo shirt.
Hindi, hanggang doon lang tayo. Ano lang tayo? Enjoying the game lang tayo. Well, in whatever way possible.
Pero naglalaro ka pa rin ng mga recre.
Not anymore kasi daming MPBL. Every day.
Oo. Pero napuyat si Coach Christian the other.
Oo. Yun ang totoong baller.
Intense.
Yun ang totoong baller.
Actually, I watched him dun sa yung Ken Bono na game. I watched portions of it. Intense nga talaga maglaro si Coach Christian, no?
Alam mo ba? Dati. And sa sobrang intense niya, binabantayan niya yan 1 to 5.
Talaga?
1 to 5. Lahat ng sa sobrang intense ni Coach siya, naglaro kami dati nun sa UAAP Goodwill Games eh. Lahat ng pictures. Meron siyang picture na binabantayan niya ako, nasa labas ako, na nagda-drive. May picture siya sa sentro na nagda-try siya, nag-attempt siya mag-block. Sabi ko, lahat na lang. Go hard talaga. Tawag namin dyan, Mr. Go Hard.
Talaga?
Kasi hindi na mamili ng, sino, kumbaga, medyo lang tayo, relax na tayo. Wala, he only plays one way. Clark Derrigue!
Wow!
Grabe, 7 points para kay Clark Derrigue, putting together one of his more memorable fourth quarters dito sa MPBL. 82-45 is the count. Jomel Landayan with the layup. Alam mo dati yung layup na yan kay Jomel Landayan, yung kabila yung yung talon, yung off leg. Hindi tinuturo yun eh.
Oo, totoo.
Hindi tinuturo yun eh. Talagang kailangan pag right-handed yung layup mo, right ang unang step mo, tapos kaliwa and then up yung right knee mo.
I think nagsimula yung tinuro after kay Steve Nash, if I recall correctly. Those were the years I was coaching na ginagawa na namin yun.
Ginagamit na lagi yung kay Steve Nash.
Tapos dumali pa kay Rondo, di ba? May ganun din si Rondo eh.
Hindi talaga ginagamit. Alala ko yun eh.
Kaya anticipated mo na pagle-layup na dito pupunta sa kanan eh. No? Man, hindi mo na alam eh.
So malayo na rin na narating ng basketball. Nakikita natin dito modern times. Nagamit na yung kung ano-anong moves sa Clark Derrigue. Mukhang sanay sa goggles.
Oo nga. Mukhang mas lumilinaw yung ring sa kanya eh. Pero hirap talaga maglaro.
I actually tried. I have two. No? Yung goggles na yun. Kasi kailangan... ang layo din eh. Yung pagsuot mo, sobrang clear talaga.
Yeah. Na parang... I don't know, parang masakit rin sa ulo eh, no? Pagkatagal mo na suot.
Medyo dizzy ka lang sa simula.
Nakaka-disorient din, no? At certain points. And it's tough, lalo na pag pinagpapawisan ka kasi nagmo-moist minsan.
Tinapon ko after first quarter. Pag simula na pinapawisan,
Ayaw mo na.
Ayoko na. Hindi ako makashoot. Pag gubad ko, hindi pa rin makashoot. Huwag na lang.
Mukhang hindi na yung salamin nyo.
Sub na lang.
Sab na lang.
Inside, Enrique. Too strong.
Oh, working his way inside.
Oo, 3-second violation.
Tsaka isa pa yun, yung nagagalaw yung gagal. Sita mo siya kanina pagka-rebound, inaayos niya.
85-50, all over, but the final score here in the Quezon Convention Center. Drive by Casajeros, no good. Bobby B is ahead. Nice pass to Don Arenas. Hindi niya natapos ang finger roll. Foul whistled on Mocon. Idagdag mo pala si ano?
Sino?
Si dito sa MPBL,
Sino?
Marlo Aquino, yung gumagamit dati.
Ah, yeah.
Sila the first
Father-son.
father and son.
Right.
Naunahan pa si Bronny tsaka si Lebron.
Oh. First in the world.
Next to Robert Jaworski and
Yeah, that's
Vice
right.
Mayor, former Senator Robert Jaworski,
That's right.
Senior, and Vice Mayor Dudut Jaworski. Arenas, the extra pass. Chan, yes. Nice to get the other Rice Vanguards a run out dito sa laban natin for Coach Don Dulay. And it did not let up even after leading at the half. And this team has high standards, championship ambitions this season. And this is another step in the right direction for Coach Don Dula and the rest of the Nueva Ecija Rice Vanguards. A convincing win against the Marikina Shoemasters here in Lucena.
And they've always been, regardless kung sino nasa loob ng floor at kung sino yung kalaban nila, they always, defaulted back to their system and their philosophies, to which every player, even up to the last guy on the roster, would embrace.
Best player of the game is brought to you by 1xBet, title sponsor of the MPBL. Your choice, your victory. Feel more game with 1xBet. And Will Macaloni is our best player of the game, and Will had 10 points, 6 rebounds, and 2 assists. 6 shooting para kay Will, and just leading this balanced offensive by the Rice Vanguards, leading to an 88-52 victory. Nueva Ecija is now 12-0. Let's go to Sidney Crespo.
Thank you so much, Coach Mike. Well, congratulations. Kwento mo nga no, na napagod ka talaga last game. But today, you made it look so effortless. I know you didn't take this game lightly. Nakita naman namin yun sa scores at rebounds mo today.
First of all, I just want to thank God sa panalo binigay sa amin. Yun nga, so we started to practice yung effort namin against San Juan. So as always, our coaches told us na we should not take in every team lightly.
Will, tough stretch ahead, no? Batangas, Pampanga, Zamboanga. Anong magiging itsura ng preparations nyo para dyan?
I think it will start sa practice namin. Yun, kung ano magiging adjustment namin, we just trust our coaches naman at sa system namin. Thank you.